Okay, thanks for checking out this video. Today we're gonna review and check out this Airstream for sale by my friend Arlette. It's in pretty good shape. It's a 1989 Excella 1000. It's the blue stripe one, which from what I understand was the more basic model. There was a limited model as well. I want to say that this thing is 32 feet, something like that. About 9,000 pounds. This is Carolina right here. She's going to be helping me out. So, all right. So the body, it's got some stuff going on. It's not perfect. It still has a decent shine on it. You see, all the axles, tires, and all that seem good. Definitely seems roadworthy, and it made a bit of a travel to get here. This NASA stuff that's on here, supposedly this was used in a movie as kind of like a prop, like a mobile station or something like that. Trying to get that confirmed. There was apparently 4 of these made and used for the movie. Now this thing's got all these shades, rolling shades intact. You see there's a little flaw right there. But all in all, the exterior is pretty good. And it's dry inside. And all of these shades roll and do like the way that they're supposed to do. So, gotta move this thing back to get it to come off. Let's see. So I gotta pull it down that way. Sorry for my shaky video. Woo, my bad. Airstream people will probably be mad at me, but I should have done that with 2 hands. But they all roll up. The springs are all good. They're all in good shape like that. That's a plus. That's a big plus. So inside, needs some love. Needs some love. Seems like all of these are pretty intact. The headliner's not bad, but like all these light assemblies need to be replaced. I mean, countertop's not in bad shape. The stove looks good. The microwave looks good. All the 12 volts seems to work. Fridge works, at least on electric. AC works and blows out pretty cold. Some of the stuff's in very usable condition. Some of it's in need of some love. Now, all of these are made with polybutylene pipes back in the day. And this one busted and this floor is soft. So this would have to be like disassembled and redone. But like other than that, it's still pretty solid. The rest of the closet and the way the rigging and stuff is. A little bit of mild and mildew there, but nothing too bad. I mean, obviously it's really dated wallpaper in this whole deal. Yeah. And you would want to do a queen bed back here, like on the back. But it's got a lot going for it. I mean, and obviously if it's priced right, it's priced right. Not necessarily turnkey, but man, a lot of room in this thing. I mean, this is like the biggest Airstream they made. So anyway, that is a 1989 3-axle Airstream. That seems to be pretty good bones or whatever. A little bit of floor work, kind of to be expected. Body's not necessarily perfect, but I think it would polish up pretty good. Wouldn't be impossible to fix the few little flaws that it's got. And it might have some interesting history, and all these awnings are in good shape. You know, this is, again, a little bit of work on this to make it perfect, but those seem to be intact as well. So what do you think? What do you think the right price is on this Airstream? I am curious to know. My friend's trying to come up with a price to sell it. What is the right price on something like this? Anyway, comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff.